You can access the admin panel by typing down the / and admin in your webshop site's URL. A login page will appear. You will enter the email address and password you set when you opened the webshop. In the admin panel, we have the following menus: Account Setup, Orders, Products, Customers and Partners, Analytics, Pages, Footer, Banners and Sliders, News, Comments, Contact Data, Users, Codebooks, Settings. All menus and submenus of the admin panel will be explained in the following episodes of our video tutorials. At the top of the admin panel, there is a View Shop button that will take you to the home page of your web store. When you are logged in, an Abriviate admin panel will appear on the top of the home page. The Products tab will show you a list of all products on the shop which you can edit without entering the admin panel. The Save Changes tab saves all direct changes in your webshop. The Admin Panel tab takes us back to the admin panel. On the Products tab, we can see the total number of products in the shop, a search box for products, and a button to add a new product. The row below is used to filter the display of products in the list. The Groups option filters and displays products from the selected group. On the Web option displays visible and non-visible products in your store. The On Sale option displays all products on sale. Use the Pictures option to check which products have pictures. The Description option displays all products that have a description. In the drop-down menu of the commands, next to the product on the left, there is a box for individual product selection. Select the commands you can perform on the products. The box on the left is used to select all products. There is also a checkbox for individual product selection. By clicking the Add New Product button, a window for adding a product will appear. Enter the name of the product in the Name on the Web field. Add your code from the warehouse if you wish. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the group to which the product belongs. The product status determines the availability of products in the store and displays the appropriate message instead of adding the product to the cart. This is handy if you do not have the products in stock. You can also enter the product status directly if there is no corresponding one. On Web option is used to make your product visible in stores. We define the duration of the sale in the fields from and to. If you fill in the duration of sale after the expiration date, the product is automatically removed from the sale. In the Web Price field, enter the selling price of your product. If you have chosen that the product is on sale, enter the price in the On Sale Price field, which will be visible with the web price and a discount will be shown. Images are added by clicking the Add Image button. Select the image you want from your computer and upload it. Enter a product description in the text editor. By clicking on the Save Changes button, the system is saving all entered data about product. The Delete Product button deletes the product, which includes all entered information and images of the product. The Detail Change leads to the part of the admin panel where you can change the product in detail. The See Product leads to the display of products in the store.